John really cares about his clients. His care extends to wanting to provide, I feel, the best product he possibly can that meets the needs and the desires of the client that he's serving. And he's unusual in that respect. I don't think it's so much the money that he's going to make building an estate plan, but that the plan that he gives you is one that you can really count on being correct, being accurate, being defensible, and being understandable to your family members or to your successor trustee.
One concern was that we wanted a trust that our trustee would be able to administer and understand, and we wanted it very comprehensive. We didn't want a lot of loopholes that could create problems for our trustees or our successor trustees.
Linda and I had a blended family when we first got married, and as a result we came to that marriage with different asset bases, and we were looking to, after almost 20 years of marriage, looking to simplify our estate plan, but at the same time it is fairly extensive.
We had attended one of John's seminars.
I was quite impressed with John in the seminars, the way he presented the material and the amount of detail that he was willing to spend his time on to ensure that people that were at the seminars understood how he put his estate planning together.
Well, and really the fact that he was so knowledgeable about taxes and that aspect of estate planning was a big plus for us too, because we're very tax conscious. We pay what we owe, certainly, but we don't want to pay more than we need to.
I really enjoy building and flying radio-controlled model airplanes. In fact, I just like having a lot of fun in general, and it's a really fun hobby. I consider it a lifetime hobby, actually.
Probably my favorite hobby since retirement is making quilts, both for family members and for babies born to teen mothers.
I've been in the hobby for about 30 plus years, and I really enjoy having a lot of fun with my hobby. But I do realize that life can't be all fun. Sometimes you have to think about the future and estate planning and what's going to happen to all your stuff once you're gone. So as a result, my wife and I have been talking about doing or updating our estate plan. We've had a plan for several years, but more recently we realized that there's been a lot of law changes. We had a really good experience with John and his staff. His staff is very competent. We would definitely recommend the Goralka Law Firm to any of our friends or relatives. John did an extremely good job for us. We were very satisfied. His work was very accurate, very timely. Very comprehensive estate plan is what we ended up with, and that's just what we were looking for.
Click here to subscribe and see more videos on asset protection, estate, and tax issues.